guess it's been a while.
Hello guys, greetings to everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am sharing with you a cleaning motivation where I will be resetting my week. Actually, it's a mid-week cleaning motivation whereby I am just making sure that everything is back into their places. Everything is maintained, dusting off here and there. And so I am showing you, the very first clip that you've seen was me showing you a new cleaning cloth, which I don't like the size of it. It's too small. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters and they are too small for my liking. I don't really appreciate the size, but what will I do, because I didn't even know how big it was. So I will be using those for testing. I like the fabric, I like the material. I will just stick to it. Maybe I will use two cloths at the same time. I don't know, I'll decide. So it is during the week in the afternoon, after me coming back from work, I decided that I should just maintain my cleaning so that it can be satisfying. When you come back to a clean place, you just get so satisfied. So if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, or you like this kind of content, please do consider subscribing and becoming a member of this family. Like and share these videos so that I can continue to give you motivations, guys. And this channel, I do cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, and grocery hauls. So let's get down to the videos. I am wiping off dust from my wardrobe. The mirrors were just having some fingerprints and a lot of dust, because you know a small house can accumulate dust so quickly and accumulate dirt so quickly. And a house without a patio is just a stress, because when you step outside, you come inside with soil, especially in the morning when the soil is still wet. You kind of carry it with your shoes. Even if when you wipe, the remaining one will come with you inside the house. Especially this mat was so dusty and soily too. So let's get down to today's video. I am not going to do all those corner cleaning and shifting things, because it's just a weekly maintenance whereby I just keep the space clean and satisfying. And another thing, guys, please don't skip those ads. And thank you for the support. You've been amazing, you guys. I am where I am because of you. Thank you for everything.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories memories that can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.
Coming over to the kitchen, as you can see, it's not messy, it's just clean. All I have to do is just to make it look super. So I am just gonna wipe off dust from the cupboard, the stove, and then sweep the floor and mop it. Keeping your house clean on regular basis, it's important because it makes life easy. When you come back from work, like myself, I work from 8 to 5 and I arrive at home around 6 o'clock. Sometimes I'm tired, I don't have time to do all those things. But when you keep especially dishes clean, your life is gonna be easy. Even if you feel like not doing anything, you don't feel like cooking, you are not forced to do all those chores in the afternoon when you come back. You're just gonna lay back, relax, get yourself together, your blood will flow, and you come back to your normal energy. Then if you don't like cooking, you will eat what you have, or you do some quick meal. Like myself, I like doing some rice and tin fish or some macaroni and other things. So keeping it tidy, it's always important, and that's what I do every week. And or let me say, that's what I do every day, keeping the dishes clean before I go to work. Even if I can sleep with dirty dishes in the morning before I go, because I will still be having energy, I do clean them, leave the kitchen clean, and go.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry.
We have come to the end of this video, and thank you guys for sticking around until this time. I thank you for your support, and I thank you for being on my channel since day one. For those who are new, thank you also, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.